So question is, can we drink both this one or this one? Can we have both together at once? Yes guys, it's Vishnu here, back with new video. So how you all doing? Hope fine and great. So just follow me, subscribe my channel, like my video, and please make sure to watch the video by the end. Please don't forget to subscribe. So the question and confusion is, can we have coffee and apple cider vinegar all together? Answer is no, you cannot have that. You cannot even think in your dream even to have that. Why? I just had a really worst experience with this. What was that worst experience? Let me tell you what happened 1 week ago. I'm addicted of black coffee and lemon. Just like a daily, usually I gone and I just decided to make a coffee with lemon. Then I found out that there is no lemon left anymore. So what I decided, I thought, because this apple cider vinegar was in my home, so left. So I thought, let's try this apple cider vinegar. Means I didn't research about that. I thought, the common mistake means so far whoever had apple cider vinegar with coffee by thinking apple cider vinegar is also sour like lemon, also has vitamin C like lemon. So maybe these are the similarity. We people, me self stupid, why we confused lemon and apple cider vinegar, both taste same, both are sour. That is why maybe we people, we confuse, try to use apple cider vinegar like a lemon. But lemon and apple cider vinegar both has that much big differences that you cannot even imagine. Never even compare apple cider vinegar with lemon. So I decided, I found out that my lemon is finished. Then I used apple cider vinegar with coffee, and taste was so bad. The moment I smelled that, I knew something wrong with this. Okay, but it was too late. I had drunk 3 or 4 sips by then. Then I found out that I'm feeling vomiting kind of feeling. Then 1 hour later on, I literally did vomiting. Can you imagine? I literally did vomiting due to having coffee and apple cider vinegar. Don't ever do that. This was my own experience. This is why I decided to tell you what mistake I did. Don't do that mistake. Now let me give you a scientific reason why you shouldn't have that. So we should never have coffee with apple cider vinegar due to high acidity factor. Both of this drink, this apple cider vinegar and coffee, both of this drink contain too much acetic acid. Listen again, acetic acid. So this can cause so many side effects which are very dangerous, and you must listen what are those. The symptoms of side effect, or simply I can say the side effects are, number 1, vomiting, which I just had. You can check in internet, not just because I had, that's why I'm telling you. You can really research about this in internet, the symptoms or the side effect of having coffee or apple cider vinegar. So the number 1 is vomiting, 2 nausea, 3 heartburn, heartache, and you will weakening your teeth. Your all teeth will be moving, it will be so weak. Last one is you will be feeling too much headache, and you will be feeling like you got fever. So don't ever have that. Just one drink is enough to make you ill, to make you feel so bad. Even if you're having good days, the moment you had this drink, your bad day will start from there. So don't ever have that. So the reason you came in this video or you came in this YouTube seeking that can we have coffee or apple cider vinegar together? So the answer is very clear. Don't ever have that. Don't ever have that. But instead, you can do like this. In morning you can make a routine. In morning just have a black coffee, or in evening before sleeping you can just have apple cider vinegar. You don't have to combine together because these are chemical things. Don't just combine and don't just make item bomb. Don't do that. Simple thing, separate this chemical thing separately and have separately. You don't have to have all together by combining atom and neutron. Don't do that. Apple cider vinegar have in morning, or coffee have in morning, because don't have coffee in night, because if you have coffee in night then you're not gonna get sleep. So don't have coffee in night. Simply have apple cider vinegar in night and coffee in morning separately, not together, separately. That's how both you can have but not together. Don't combine one with one and don't make poison. You know, these are really good things, good for body. You can really have benefit of it. You can lose weight by apple cider vinegar or black coffee if you don't combine this. Okay, before using experiment like me, I had vomiting. Okay, I was lucky that someone helped me and I found out wrong I was doing. Don't do experiment with this. Just try to be safe and stay safe. That's all.